Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me.
This week in 1912, a fly swatting contest was underway. Williamsburg's young people were recruited to combat the growing fly population, with prizes and financial incentives given to the best swatters. This week in 1920, a classified ad was placed in the Virginia Gazette looking for laborers for the Penniman Ordnance Depot. Applicants aged 17 to 60 were needed to work 8-hour shifts to support the war effort. Compensation was $3.20 per day.
Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.